Hi, this is John Criswell. Welcome to Manufacturing Marvels. Today we're in DeForest, Wisconsin, and home of Advanced Greig Laminators Incorporated. For nearly 70 years, AGL has been producing industrial lamination equipment for myriad manufacturing industries, including automotive, solar, foam and gasket, glass, and wide format graphics. AGL offers a wide variety of laminators made to meet the exact specifications of every unique lamination process. Their engineering department works with customers to design laminating equipment to produce all shapes, sizes, and uses. AGL has a multitude of build options available and will work with you to determine which options work best for your application. Their knowledge of the overall converting market makes them uniquely qualified to develop state-of-the-art solutions for their customers. AGL specializes in the design and manufacturing of standard and custom laminators for the industrial and wide format digital imaging markets. They have the knowledge and years of experience that equips their engineers with the ability to sit down with a customer and create a custom laminator design for the unique task at hand. AGL's engineering technology overcomes traditional laminating design and manufacturing limitations by reshaping the laminating manufacturing process and components traditionally used for laminating equipment. Their engineering innovations for specific customer processes are proving every day they increase performance and reduce production costs. AGL Incorporated manufactures a wide range of laminators for every budget and lamination requirement for the wide format graphics industry. AGL is one of the few providers that can provide media, laminate, and laminator for match component solutions others simply can't provide. Laminate with the pros at AGL and visit them at aglinc.com. This is John Criswell for Manufacturing Marvels.